Hey there JVs, and welcome to this video about FB Viral Video, my new app which is launching on Wednesday the 23rd. I've just made this video to show you an overview of what the app does, how it works. You can see behind the scenes, and if anybody needs review access or whatever, you can drop me a line on Skype and I'll hook up anybody who's promoting. So what this app does, it gets likes, shares and invites and general viral traffic for videos. Now, video has been very popular of late, and this is an app I've actually had developed for I think almost a year now. It's been sitting gathering dust, so I've finally got it all together in the admin area where I want it, and I'm putting it together for sale now. So this is what you can see here on the screen now is basically the main dashboard. This is an app people install themselves. I was going to try it out as a hosted app, but I decided just to make it a standalone one they can install. So they log in, and if they buy the developer one, they get the multiple account one, so they could sell these listings or whatever to their clients and let their clients log in themselves. So you can see the manage user feature up here. I'll just click on that to show you. Fairly straightforward, so that you get just a couple of user accounts. Then we have the dashboard link, which you see here, and the add campaign to add a new listing. So from here you can view the existing ones or edit them or delete them, and then you can log out up here. So all fairly straightforward. Now some of the uses for this would be for offline clients. So I've done one here called Joe's Diner to show an example of how this could be used for an offline client, but you can also use it for online marketing efforts where you would get people to watch a video and you reward them at the end, or just whatever sort of traffic you want to get to a video. So we're going to go into this Joe's Diner one. It's completely random what I made up here, it's not a real business. And here you can see all the different settings, so I'm just going to zip through these and then I'll show you it in the front end and it'll all make a bit more sense. So we got a title, and we can customize the title color here, just drag this around. We can choose a Google font, there's a wide selection of fonts there, and they can either display the title or hide it. It's an option, they might want to hide it. Then the main body of this app is the video they show. So they can either show a YouTube video, so it's an easy way for them to upload and host the video on YouTube, or they can choose a hosted video, and that presents different options there. For the YouTube one, we have at the moment they just define the code, there's sort of link at the end that makes it work. And next thing is the upload preview image. This is the image that appears at the first frame of a video before it plays. So you can leave it blank and it'll just pick up the image from the video, or they can upload their own image here, so it could be a call to action or whatever. And then we have something called an alert image, which will be clear in a moment, so they can either use a default alert image or they can upload one. Then next is the content. We get a full content editing area here, so they can configure the entire thing, including HTML and video, whatever they want. And I've just got some text there in white, so I have to select it to show you. And this is in the main kind of call to action area, so I just made this quick example. It's as if someone's getting a special meal deal this weekend, so we just put something about that in here. Next thing is what you want to happen after they finish watching the video. So we get two functions here. It can display share and invite buttons, which are the Facebook ones, or it can redirect to a custom page. So let's say for example we had Joe's Diner offering 20% off for people who watch the video. They watch the video and then it could redirect to a web page you make that has the stuff about how they get the 20% off, whatever. So there's a lot of flexibility there. And this is a call to action where you can put whatever you want here, but this is going to appear above the two Facebook viral buttons. Next thing, I've got the Facebook comments here, which can be turned off or on. This is another good viral aspect of it. It encourages some discussion. Need the Facebook app ID, and then we have some custom style options here. People can either use some predefined styles, or they can use a custom background image. And then if they do use the custom background image, they have different options here. I usually put it to the stretched 100% one, because that's like the current style is quite popular at the moment with like you see with the opt-in pages, so that's pretty cool. Or they can leave it blank and just use a color here from the color picker. And that's it. That's all the settings. Pretty straightforward. Just click save or edit at the bottom, and that will do it. So now I'm going to show you how this looks in the front end and what it actually does. So here's the random page I made for Joe's Diner. Now obviously this could be a lot more fleshed out, and you could have a lot more content here and stuff. Now we've got the comments bit at the bottom, which can be turned off and on. And here we have the video. This one is using the default image from YouTube, but that could be different. It could be a custom one for whatever the user wants. So once someone's on the page and they go to click play here, this is where the main viral stuff happens. And they see the call to action image. This is the default one, but they can also add any custom ones. They can narrow down to the like box here. So someone clicks like, and then starts to play the video. This is obviously some video about cooking, so I'm just going to skip it on to the end. So we'll just skip ahead to the end of the video, and you'll see what happens now, just when it gets to the very end. There we see it's just redirected to Google. I've set it to this one in the test listing, so you can see how that works. I'll just jump back here to the dashboard, so you can see you can have unlimited listings here. You can set it up to be the share or invite links, or you can make it redirect to a URL. So you could even use this in your own online marketing efforts if you want to popularize a video and get views and likes for it by offering a free download at the end for watching the video, and then people just go through the motions there. All in all, I think it's a very, very powerful and unique package. It's it's a nice standalone app. It's not you don't need to download any desktop software or anything. It's nice, handy, easy to use online one, and anybody could make a very good ROI on this, anyone who buys it. So I think it's going to be very popular. If you have any questions about this at all, hit me up, and I'll get you review access and give you any information you need. And any past affiliates of mine know that if I promote for people, I can do some serious numbers in your launches and stuff. So I like to support people who support me. So hopefully you can get behind this one and do some good numbers and make some money. Thanks.